Our holiday from Humberside to Copenhagen cost us £585, along with an extra £60 for checked luggage, totaling £645 flight tickets. Although a lot of people think that travel tickets from the UK are the cheaper for flight to Europe, that's only for large cities like London, not for every airport in the UK. Just clarify to everyone. We choose to spend a special weekend at Copenhagen, Iceland. It's a 4-star hotel that feels like a 5-star, situation on an island in the harbour of Copenhagen, featuring modern room with stunning view of the water and city skyline. It really feels like a luxury experience with 2 harbour sides. We spent around £280 for an executive double room, which included the option to buy a breakfast buffet with a balcony and a view of the harbour. When we are feeling the holiday vibe, we will start thinking about stepping out of our comfort zone, leaving home to explore a new country, unwind, recharge the energy, and enhance mental well-being. Once we're back home, that happy mood can stay around. The breakfast buffet from 6:30 to 10 on weekdays and 7 to 11 on weekend. It's really a tasty breakfast buffet and a beautiful glassroom area for taking good pictures and videos. The breakfast area really has great vibe and stunning view of the harbor. Plus, the pastries are incredible. I would definitely be back next time when I'm in Copenhagen. We straight up the breakfast room and thought it was a different restaurant, so we asked the waiter if we needed to pay extra for later in the glass room for tea and pastry. She told us it was still the breakfast area and we didn't have to pay extra since we already covered the breakfast buffet, and now you can see the different restaurant area. Here is what I told about the positive review. The view from our room were amazing. Looking out over the harbor, the bed was super comfy and we got a great night's sleep. Then had a nice selection of pillow, which really helped my neck pain. Good combination with the memory foam ones. Plus, the decor was really styling and I absolutely love the gas lamp in the central of the hotel. Once again, this hotel is a pretty good spot, just 15 minutes away from the airport. Hope you guys like our holiday world and our honest review on this awesome hotels. See you guys next time. Goodbye!